Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Una welcome. Now your Ogbonga teacher Oluwakemi, they welcome you, the Ogbonga student, to this WAEC Math 2019. Now the question be this: if 6, P and 14 are consecutive terms in arithmetic progression AP, find the value of P. Okay. So this question now give us three terms. The first one na be 6, the second one na P, and the fourth one na 14. Okay, and I don't know whether you still remember the formula we use find the nth term of an arithmetic progression, and that term na you get one and the term na un na that they use represent that term with the equals to a, the first term, plus n minus 1 bracket d. So now this small formula that they use find anyone. So for instance, now if we say for first term now, so for the first term now, the first term will be a, then for n will be 1 minus 1, we will give us 0. 0 times d, we see say first term now just a. What about the second term? The second term we write a, okay, then 2 minus 1, that's 1 times d, that one give us d. Then the third term, if you remember, what in that one be? That one, if you apply them, we go get waiting a plus 2d. Good. So now, but the same we find p, and p na second term. And so for a we know will be first term, for d we know sabi. So if we want find d now, we fit use the third term, use find the common difference d. Okay, so if we can't use that one, why we won't use that one? Why we not use the first term? The first term now just a, so that one we not go fit use get the d. So make we apply that now. So the third term wouldn't tell us, wouldn't say a plus 2d is equal to waiting 14. Now in the third term. So now we will come input the values, okay, according to the question. So a will be waiting 6. Then the common difference now we still dey look for. So as it don't dey like this now, we could just go ahead to subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. So we'll get 2d equals 14 minus 6, and this one will give us what? 8. So now when we don't see something like this, we'll just quickly eliminate the 2 we did for the left hand side, that is the variable side of the equation, by 2. So 2 in 8 is 4. So now we don't get, say, d, the common difference is 4. As we don't get common difference now, we also get the first term a. So we could just come back to this our second term. So and second term will be p, we say equal to a will be 6, okay, plus d will be 4, and that one will give us waiting 10. So our value p now 10. We could go to the answer option now. So we don't see say answer option B now him be the correct answer. Thank you for watching. See you for the next video. Bye, Gario.